Hey guys, Mike here. Pretty quick video tonight. Uneventful day. You can see the SPY daily candle looks like a little plus sign. Maybe typical of a holiday week. The market's closed Thursday for Thanksgiving, closes at 1 on Friday, and much of today also felt like it was closed. So not the best trading environment on a holiday week, but trades can come out of nowhere. So probably worth hanging out in chat and and trying to trade if you got nothing else to do. One quick shout out to Ben L, who's been making the highlight list a lot lately. Gave us NWTN. Let me go to 2-minute candles. Pointed out early on, and this was on our morning gap list, that this topped out at 6. The implication back through 6 worth a shot. Look what happens. You get the 6 break, and then you get the halt, right? The big move and the upside halt, and it opens here, halted again here, I think. So a great heads up by Ben L. Sadly, I did not get that one, but I know people in chat did. I know a lot of people did, so it was a great heads up. I'm going to go right into what I'm watching for tomorrow. I'm not in love with this one, GTLS, but we had on continuation bounce watch, if you will, coming into today. And it topped out at 130.35, but look at the intraday. I mean, it broke early, it broke to 130, right? Then kind of did this little cup and handle flaggish thing. So back through 130 tomorrow is a little bit interesting. This thing's so oversold. It was over 240, like 2 weeks ago. And it's been pretty much cut in half. So I do think it's worth watching for a continuation of the bounce, but I'm certainly not in love with it. PRVB had the halt and the gap down, and then the big reversal intraday on Thursday. I talked about it in the video. I'm sorry, on Friday, and then today really did next to nothing. So kind of a quiet day. It's in play, so I'm going to keep my eyes on it, but I don't look at that chart and say, oh man, here's a great setup, right? NEWT, nice volume for this stock, but still not even 500,000 traded today, but kind of nearing a little mini breakout range. It was strong today, so I'm going to watch it tomorrow. ISEE, big pop on Friday, quiet inside day today, looking for a third day play. PDSB had a big run, 2 red days in a row. I'd like to see it get down in these moving averages here, the buy zone, but I'm going to put it on bounce watch for tomorrow. Tesla really oversold. About a week ago, Tesla was $200.82 all the way down here at 167. That one's super interesting, especially if we get a morning sell-off. I'll be looking for an intraday reversal. Remember, for a trade, that's all I do is trade. I'm in cash every night. COMP had the big rip last week and really kind of flagging, not flagging, but pulling back on lower volume. Had it on bounce watch today. No trigger, no trade. Didn't give a setup, so it goes right back on bounce watch for tomorrow. GRND had that crazy move on Friday. Went from 16 to 70. What did it go to? 71.51 before closing all the way down in the mid 30s. And then today, a nasty red candle. Now, I'm not saying this should have been 71, but after a move like that, and then you get almost a complete reversal, that stock can move, so I am going to put it on watch. That's GRND. APPS had a nice breakout back here a little over a week ago. Continued higher and now kind of pulling back to the moving average. So I'm putting that on bounce watch. And then NINE goes on bounce watch. A lot of the oil plays had big bounces intraday today. And this one was certainly oversold, but it already had a nice bounce. I'm going to put it on bounce watch. We'll see what oil does tomorrow. I'm not in love with this list, but hopefully we'll find some morning gappers and some decent setups tomorrow. I'm done babbling. I'll see you guys in the chat room in the morning.